The King of Plants. In a lush forest, there lived a magnificent tree named Max. Max was the tallest and strongest tree in the forest, with branches that stretched towards the sky and roots that dug deep into the earth. The other plants and trees looked up to Max as their king. They admired his grandeur, his strength, and his ability to provide shade and shelter to all. One day, a severe storm swept through the forest, bringing strong winds and heavy rains. The smaller plants and trees trembled with fear, but Max stood tall, his roots digging deeper into the earth. As the storm raged on, Max's branches swayed and creaked, but he did not break. He shielded the smaller plants and trees from the wind and rain, protecting them from harm. When the storm finally passed, the forest was quiet and still. The smaller plants and trees emerged from their hiding places, grateful to have been protected by Max. As they thanked Max for his bravery, Max replied, "I am not just the king of plants, I am also a part of this forest community. We must all work together and support each other to survive and thrive." Moral. The moral of the story is that true strength and leadership come not from individual power, but from community and mutual support. Just like Max, the king of plants,